Good evening, Jose.
Hola, Senor Hess.
All right. It's good to see you. It's good to see you.
Gracias, Senor Hess. Excuse me, what? Who the hell is Hess?
I said Jeff.
No, he said Hess.
It's the same thing.
No. Okay, I meant New Mexican. She's like Jose, just fresher.
Well, Jose, I must say you speak English very well.
Gracias, senor.
Yeah. What were some of the first phrases in English that you learned? You know, Jose, the immigration thing is a big topic in the country right now.
Si, senor.
Would you mind if I ask you a few questions?
It's okay.
Okay. You know, they're putting a lot more National Guard on the border between the U.S. and Mexico. Does this concern you?
No, senor.
Why not?
He's already...
Oh, that's hot.
That sexual harassment stuff's getting pretty bad.
Yes, it is.
What's gonna come out of that, you?
Me, nothing.
Oh, I don't know. What, bunch of other comedians you'd worked with coming forward? I'm just gonna let that hang in the air for a while. Until everyone figures out that you're a danger to yourself and those around you.
In the movie, I want you to play the Ghost of Christmas Present.
Sounds great. What white guy's named Larnell? It makes no sense whatsoever. And his last name is White. What the f***? My name is Jose. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought we were in America speaking freaking English. But I didn't see the little ch over the E, which magically changes Joe.
አደራ እንግዲህ መምህር
ምንም ችግር የለውም ዳይሬክተር። እኔ ለገንዘብ ሳይሆን ለህሊና የምሰራ መምህር ነኝ። ተማሪዎችን ከእውቀት ባለፈ ለስራ ብቁ ነው ማረጋቸው። ምንም ችግር የለውም። ምንም ዊ አር ሳር
አለ ማርማር
የድሩን ብር አልሰጠሻቸውም? አንዳለ መዝግቤዋለሁ። አዎ ቦርሳዬን አቀብለኝ። ቦርሳ ስማኝ፣ አሁን ተነስና የናልጋ እንጥፍልኝ። እሺ ስማኝ፣ ደግሞ ያው እዚህ በቀሉ ቤት ደርሼ እመጣለሁ። እስከዛ አንጥፈ ባጠብቀኝ፣ ያው ከቤት ነው ማውጣ። እሺ ያው ዛሬ እንግሊዘኛ አስተምራኝ ስላልሽ ዛሬ እንጀምራለን። እሺ ጥሩ። እሺ አሁን ከስም ነው የምንጀምረው። እሺ what is your name? እሺ አልኩኩ። አይ በዩ እኔ የምልሽ ወይ ከመጀመሩ ነው ልጅሽ እስከዚህ ሰዓት የሚያመሸው? ምን አውቃለሁ። አሁን የት ሄደ ይባላል? አሁን እኮ ከሌሊቱ 6 ሰዓት ሆነ። አይቼዋለሁ። ሴትዮ እስቲ አትጩሂብኝ።
አደራ እንግዲህ መምህር
ምንም ችግር የለውም ዳይሬክተር። እኔ ለገንዘብ ሳይሆን ለህሊና የምሰራ መምህር ነኝ። ተማሪዎችን ከእውቀት ባለፈ ለስራ ብቁ ነው ማረጋቸው። ምንም ችግር የለውም። ምንም ዊ አር ሳር
አለ ማርማር